I'm floating in the clouds. I'm above the earth. Oh, no. Where am I? What are these? So these are called wrapped bales, baleage. They're kind of like mini silos. So the hay is cut and a day later it's baled. And then immediately it's wrapped with a plastic, a very thin plastic, a 6 to 8 mil plastic. It goes round, around, 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 around. It wraps the bale up tight, cuts off the oxygen, and the bale ferments. So the bales are between 40 and 65% moisture. And I've just moved these from the field into a stack. So these are the things that you see in the field that kind of remind you of marshmallows or mushrooms, but they aren't. This is the hay that's inside this bale. It is some nice hay. Just smell that. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, I could just eat that. Oh, just some good hay.